Time is the most valuable asset to any smart business owner. A lot of students ask me, Keval, what is the secret to your success? Well, not only me, the common secret to all the biggest successful entrepreneurs in the world is how they manage their time. 8 years back, when I was having no systems in my business, in a week, I used to work 55 hours. And on an average, only 5 hours I used to focus on the business growth. And 50 hours almost I used to just waste in daily firefighting in day-to-day activities. Nowadays, I sit on Saturday for 30 minutes and I plan my week in advance through a weekly scheduler tool, which I'm going to give it to you right now. And through this tool, I plan my week in advance. And guess what? More than 80% of the goals which I plan for the next week gets achieved automatically. So the secret to your success is also going to be on how you plan your week in advance. Because the mantra to achieve weekly goals is planning. Because planning in advance help you to achieve at least 80% of your goals. Now, do you want to plan your goals easily in advance? Guess what? This weekly planner tool will help you to do that. This is a tool which I'm going to give it to you, where you'll be able to create the list of your goals which you're going to have next week. It can be client meetings, staff training, sales calls, etc. Right? And just one click, when you plan your week in advance in this tool, in just one click, all those goals, all those events will be blocked onto your Google Calendar, and Google Calendar will then automatically start reminding you on what are you going to do next week. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link and download this weekly planner tool from me, completely free of cost. We want to upgrade India's SME business owners, and that is the reason we want to give this tool to you, so that you can start planning your week in advance smartly. And when you plan in advance, you will be able to achieve more. What are you waiting for? Click and start planning your week in advance.